Hi everyone! For releasing all new Toyota Prado 250. The partial modes we have done right now on this unit is, let's go first to the interior. We use BF's film ceramic tint on this unit. Client chose the front glass and the windshield is medium, while the back, second row to the back is super dark. You can see front, medium, and this is the super dark. You can compare. And also we added 70 mi dash cam. This is the 4K A800 front and back recording. And soon we will install Hypotec matting on this unit because as of now, for the LC250 is still in production, their matting. Okay, let's go to the exterior. We changed the horn on this unit to Bosch Europa, and the LED fog lamp we replace to more brighter. The client chooses the same color white because the stock is really no good. Okay. We also black out all the gunmetal parts like this frame. This to be used gunmetal, and also this front nudge bar. This is gunmetal. We paint it to piano black because the original of this body, when hit on the light, there's how do you call that? The black is colored, while this one, piano black, is deep gloss black. We painted. And also the back portion, this area also, this is gunmetal before, and we paint it into black. And also this badge, this is chrome Prado. We paint it into piano black. As you can see, it's like came out from the factory. This is how we do it here. And also, we do full ceramic coating on the vehicle. Even the glass also, we apply IGL coating on the body and the glass. See how shiny. Also, these plastic parts, we treated it with ceramic coating. And also the door side, everything, we coated it with coating. Deep gloss shine. This is 5 coats of IGL coating. Lastly, stock is boring if you don't change your wheels. On this unit, we're using the Vossen HF 6.4 hybrid forged wheels. Wrapped in BF Goodrich KO2 tars. We also ceramic coat the wheels. See the stands from the side and the front. Here. And also, the client order exhaust system on this unit, but it will be arriving probably here around December, because right now it's still on development. This is the latest 250. See the difference when it's coated. The plastic. Before it's not coated yet, this is not this shiny black. It's very matte and very dry to look at. Right now, with coated, number one. Hope you like our basic build here. Feel free to message me. And please subscribe and like my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. No to fake wheels. See you here. Bye.